So I'm really looking forward to seeing how these two work together. You'd love a crochet black poncho with a hood. That'd be sick. That's exactly the sort of thing this is going to be as well. Um, I'll show you other pictures of this one. I don't know who that is. Um, where's the... There we go. So it's this pattern. And it has like a thing that goes over your shoulders. You can see in this one. And so I could always make that shoulder bit just longer and then turn it into a poncho. But I've got the shawl, which is going to go over that shoulder bit. And so I don't really need the poncho-y look to just the hood. You can sort of see how it has that forest elf ranger sort of vibe. Oh, Cindy's streaming. I'm gonna have to lock in on her. And Temp is streaming. Temp came in, called me cute, started streaming. Okay, I see how it is. I'm gonna say Temp's cute. Temp cute. Literally, he's been streaming for 8 minutes less than me. So he came in, called me cute, and left. Not gonna call him out or anything, but I'm 100% calling him out. Oh, that's a very cute. Hold on, I've got to say it's a very cute PNG tuber that he's got going on right now. That's such a... Oh, that's my Spotify. You'd not see it. Hold on. I didn't notice my Spotify was still up. I've got another hour and a half of stream. Technically, I don't need to be writing down how many rows I've done, as I could just count them after. As these are fairly easy to count because you sort of work in twos. Like I don't know if you can see, but the ridges, you can sort of... So that's 1, 2, 4. Sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 sort of thing. So each one of these ridges is 2. You got one on one side and then one on the other. It's sort of corrugated effect, if you can see there. So it's really easy to count these, but I like making the notes of what one I'm on, just so I don't accidentally make too many. That went weird. That went so weird. I'm very cautious now about saying things that I like because of my smart speaker thinking I'm saying its name so much. Depending on how long Temp or Cindy are streaming for, I'll probably be raiding into one of them too. One is playing American Truck Simulator, the other is doing art. So both will be a good vibe. That's not going to be for another hour and a half, so it's fine. Don't need to worry about it. Actually, I might stop